How to see your transaction history in the OANDA mobile application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily find your transactions on OANDA. So first of all, open OANDA application on your smartphone. Once you do that, make sure you're logged into your account as well. Once you're in the home page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner and tap on Accounts. After you're inside this website that you see on the screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the Menu button. Now under Reports, tap on Transaction History. Now you will be able to see your transaction on this page at the bottom. When you see the transaction history, this will show your past trades and actions. If you don't have any transactions yet, it will be empty that says no records like it is on my screen at the moment. So that way you will be able to check your history on OANDA application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.